Hello everyone, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know, friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course, we'll be discussing whole syllabus of the CTET examination. In this particular series, we have started with mathematics paper 1 and paper 2. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about the weights and measurement. Here we'll be learning how to convert the given values from one unit to other unit, okay, within a short span of time. Without any further ado, let us begin with the lecture. Before that, for the central teacher eligibility test, the complete course has been launched for paper 1 as well as for paper 2, and if you want to get enrolled to the course, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store or contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413, and here exclusive one-on-one mentorship will be provided to you. Global Online application is available on the Play Store, from where application can be installed, and once installed, open the application, you'll find such type of interface where there is an icon named as store icon in downwards. You have to click on it. You'll move to the page called as My Courses, where there is a search tab. In search tab, you have to type CTET. Once you type CTET course, along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. So the very first question that we are going to learn today is convert 2 mm into dam. Now what is 2 mm and what is dam? Let us understand that first. So whenever we are talking about the units, the question based upon the conversion are exam relevant. That is in exam the questions based upon the conversion of the units can be directly asked. So the first thing in today's lecture, we'll be talking only about the length conversion. Okay, so the first question is again about the length conversion, where we have to convert the millimeter into dam. Okay, so here what is dam? Let us understand that. So whenever we talk about the length conversion, one chart you have to understand so that you can easily solve the question. This is that trick which I'm going to give you over here. Look here, I'm writing some of the units: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. These are the units where whenever I'm converting the units from kilometer to hectometer, hectometer to decameter, decameter to meter, meter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter. At that time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply for each step. For each step, I'm going to multiply by 10. And when I'm moving from millimeter to centi, centi to deci, deci to meter, meter to deca, deca to hecto, and hecto to kilo, at that time I'm gonna divide by 10. Got it? So two things that you have to remember here is kilo, hecto, dam, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Now in the given question, they're asking us to convert 2 millimeter to dam. Okay, so here look here, where is millimeter? Millimeter is here. From here we have to move towards dam. It means we are moving in this direction, right? We have to convert millimeter to dam, am I right? So we are moving in this direction. So as I have told you, if you are moving in this particular direction, you have to divide by 10 for each step. So this is the first step, this is the second step, this is the third step, and this one is the fourth step, right? So here 2 millimeter is equals to what dam? Okay, so we have to understand one thing first, that one dam that is decameter is equals to how much millimeter? It is going to be 10 raised to 4 millimeter. How come? Simply when I'm moving from dam to millimeter, I'm going to multiply by 10. So when I'm moving from dam to millimeter, I'm going to multiply 4 times into 10. So I'm using directly 10 raised to 4 millimeter. So if I'm asking you one dam is equals to how many centimeter, then what are you going to say? That we are going to take how many steps, ma'am? 1, 2, and 3 steps. So this will be 10 raised to 3 centimeter. But the question that they have asked us is for the millimeter. Okay, so if one dam is equal to 10 raised to 4 millimeter, we have to convert 2 millimeter into dam. So how many what will be 1 millimeter is equal to how many dam? 1 millimeter is equals to 10 raised to minus 4 dam, right? So if one dam is equals to 10 raised to 4 millimeter, so 1 millimeter is equals to 10 raised to minus 4 dam. Simply I am dividing it by 10 4 times. Okay, so if 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 dam, so 2 millimeter will give me 2 divided by 10 raised to 4. Sorry, 2 into 10 raised to 4. 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. Simply this will give me 0.002. That is option number A is the correct answer for the given question. I hope you have got this. So what is this actually? 2 into 10 raised to 4. Many students may have not got this conversion. I'll just show you once again. If 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 dam, 2 millimeter is equals to what is the question basically that they have asked here. So this will be question mark is equals to 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. So can I write this 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 as 2 into 10 raised to 4 divided by 10 raised to 4? Yes. So what is 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros? This will give me 0.0002. That is decimal point after 4 digits we have to give, because there are 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 0. So correct answer for the given question is option number A. Moving on to the question number 2. Now they are asking us to convert the 70 decimeter into meter. 70 decimeter into meter. Again the same chart you have to remember. For each question I am going to draw it. This is the first lecture, so I am taking it quite slow, but once you are aware of this particular chart, you will be able to convert any unit into any other given unit as per the requirement of the question. Okay, here they are asking us to convert 70 decimeter into meter. So basically we are moving from decimeter to meter over here. So when we are moving from decimeter to meter, we are going to divide it by 10 for each step. So here we are moving from decimeter to meter, then only one step we are moving. It means we are dividing only by a single 10 over here. So if one second please, 1 decimeter is equals to, can I take this now? Look here. Now can I take this as 1 decimeter is equals to 0.1? Why? Because I am dividing it by 10. So I will take it here as 0.1 meter. So if 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter, so 70 decimeter is equals to what is the question? So 70 into 0.1, this will give me 7 meter. Right? So the correct answer for the given question is option number B. So only thing that you have to remember is this particular chart. Use any trick or anything that will be helpful for you. Now how I have recited it, basically I have just simply taken meter in the middle. I just remember in such a way that I take meter in the center. Okay, so after meter, DCM, I remember these two things, DCM and DCM. DC is however somewhere is making us understand that there is decimeter. Okay, DCM. Okay, and here dam, hecto and kilo. This is something I have not recited. By the period of time, after looking at it for the multiple of times, I was able to remember this particular conversion chart. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Now they're asking us to convert 76.2 kilometer into meters. Okay, so here again 76.2 kilometers, we have to convert this unit into meters. To understand this, what you have to do here is, again we'll draw the diagram same. There is no need actually for drawing each time, because we know 1 kilogram as per the chart. If you are able to remember here, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 meters. Okay, sorry, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 1 kilometer, 1 hectometer, dam, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Again here we are moving from kilometers to meters. Kilometers, where is kilometers? Kilometers is here. We are moving from kilometers to meters in this way. Okay, so whenever we are moving in this particular direction, we are gonna multiply it by 10 for each step. Second step, this is the third step, fourth, fifth and sixth step. So here, sorry, something went wrong, I guess. We are not millimeter, they have asked us meter, right? Okay, we went for the millimeter, not here they have asked us only for meter. So kilometer to meter, if we are moving, how many steps we are taking? One step, second step and the third step. So here gonna multiply, whenever we are moving in this direction, we are gonna multiply it. So here we'll be multiplying 3 times into 10. So I'll take directly as 10 raised to 3. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. A simple conversion. So 76.2 kilometer is equals to how much? So this will give me 76.2 into 1000. We have to simply do the cross multiplication. Okay, so 7 6 2, 1 0 got cancelled and decimal point as well, so 2 zeros have left. This gives us 76200. So option number A is the correct answer for the given question. Moving on to the next question now. A man is of 5 foot, calculate his height in meter. Okay, so this is now of a different thing where we have done introduction of foot. So some of the important conversions again that I would like to tell you is once again I'll introduce to you over here one conversion where we'll be talking about 1 inch, please note it down, is equals to, these are the unit conversions of length again. Okay, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters. Okay, and 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meters. And one more conversion that can be asked in the examination is 1 mile is equal to 1.609344. Rest other than that we have already discussed, that is millimeter, centimeter, deci, deca, hecto, kilo and inch. Okay, so here inch, foot and mile that we have not discussed. Please note down these particular 3 conversions. Okay, take a screenshot of this. I'll rub it out now. So what they are talking is a man is of 5 foot, his height is given in foots. Okay, so he is of 5 foot, calculate his height in meters. Okay, so to understand this particular question, one thing that you have to understand is we have to convert here foot into meters. Okay, and we know right now we have discussed that 1 foot is equivalent to 0.3048 meters. So 5 foot will be equivalent to how much? So this will give us cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, we'll get 5 into 0.3048 meters, and after multiplying it, simply we'll get the answer which is equal to 1.542. Got it? So in this way you have to solve these conversion questions and can be asked in the examination. Simple type of questions will be asked over here. Okay, next one. The length of the rope is mentioned in decameter, that is 90 decameter. We have to calculate the length for same in meters. We have to calculate, actually we have to convert the length of the rope which is given in decameter into meter. Okay, so here 1 decameter is equal to how much meter is the first question. Okay, we have already discussed now in the conversion unit. I'll not write once again that thing, but you have to understand here that 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. This is equals to 10 meters. So 90 decameters, again a simple question, a very simple question, is equal to how many meters? So this will be 90 into 10 divided by 1. It means we are simply doing cross multiplication, that is 90 into 10. Okay, this will give us 900. So this is 900 meters. So 90 deca is equals to 900 meters. You don't have to actually calculate each and every time. Once you will go through the conversion chart that I have mentioned, you can simply solve the questions in your mind again. Okay, moving on to the next question. A man travels with a speed of, given speed is 60 km per hour for 20 miles. Calculate the same in kilometer. Now the mentioning of speed was not important over here, and this is not important for finding out the answer. Simply we have to just convert whatever he has traveled, that is 20 miles, we have to convert it into kilometer over here. We have to convert it into kilometer. So here we have to understand that 1 mile is equals to 1.609344 kilometer. Okay, one thing I think I have written in the past slide that 1 mile is equal to 1.609344 meters, and that is wrong. Please note it out that 1 mile is equal to 1.609344 kilometers, not meters. Okay, so here we have to convert basically 200 miles into kilometers. So to understand this, what we have to do is simply cross multiply it, 1.609344. Okay, there is no need of solving all this. Simply you can go for 1.609 also, or 1.601. Okay, or 1.61 is also enough here. So what you are going to do over here is simply 200 into 16. Do it. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, right? We know 16 twos are is 32. So answer is going to come around something, initial digits are going to be 32 again. Okay, so something around 32, 35k around your answer is going to come. So the correct answer for the given question is option number A. Got it? In this way you can solve the question. Okay, so this was the end of today's lecture, where we have talked about the conversions of the unit, and where we have talked how to convert the millimeters to meter, centimeter to meter, deci to meter, deca to meters, hecto to meter, again kilometer to meter, 1 inch to meters, 1 foot into again meters. Okay, 1 miles into given kilometers. So we have already discussed this type of questions, and please make a note of the chart. Once again, I would like to make you understand the chart, and then we'll end the lecture. So in the chart we have discussed that whenever we are converting kilometer into hecto, hecto to dam, dam to meter, meter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter, and centimeter to millimeter, at that time we are going to multiply each step by 10, and whenever we are moving in this particular direction, we are going to divide it by 10. So these are the two things that you have to remember over here. And the second thing that you have to remember is the other three conversions that I have taught you. One is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters, and 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 again meters, and 1 mile is equal to 1.609344 kilometer. This is in kilometers. Okay, so these are the two things that you have to remember, and if you know this chart and if you know this rest of the conversions, you can simply solve any of the questions from the measurement of the length. Okay, in tomorrow's lecture we'll be talking about left out questions from the measurement of mass. Okay, and whatever the required questions will be discussed in the tomorrow's lecture. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and after this conversion topic, we will shift to clock and calendar. Okay, so the topics regarding the measurement and something that will be completely covered over it. Okay, so this was end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. If you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. Other than that, if you have any kind of doubt regarding the enrollment of the course and any of that, you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, where your all the doubts regarding the enrollment will be solved. Okay, so share to the maximum students over there who are preparing for the CTET examination, and do subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel, so that whenever I come live you can get the notification. So thank you for watching the video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.